With the Masui's precision seal and Kamado's even heat distribution, you can steam and roast vegetables at the same time. This method intensifies each ingredient's pure flavors while maximizing its nutrients. Let's go over a few ways to steam roast various vegetables. The first way is to steam roast a vegetable whole. By keeping the vegetable close to its original state, you're able to intensify the natural sugar it holds. So let's try this with some corn. Wash the corn and place them in a pot. You don't need to shake the water off or pat dry. The moisture prevents scorching and it will help boost the natural flavors. Add a tablespoon or two of water to generate enough steam. Always cover so the steam doesn't escape. Select low heat, set the timer, and press start. If you're looking to retain the nutritional value of the ingredient, steam roasting with the Masui Kamado is the way to go. It's nutritious and flavorful. You can taste the pure sweetness of the vegetables. The second way is to steam roast cut vegetables. By roasting with oil, you can add a crispy texture and toasty flavor. Let's try this with some Brussels sprouts. Wash and cut the Brussels sprouts evenly. While the pot is still cold, add oil and place them cut side down. Add salt and pepper and cover. Steam roast over low heat for 20 minutes. You can enjoy the best of both worlds of steaming and roasting. Juiciness and nutritional value from steaming, combined with the crispy texture and caramelized flavors from roasting. If you want to take the roasting up a notch, you can try preheating the pot. This works well with the vegetables that cook relatively fast, such as broccoli, asparagus, or snap peas. Preheat the pot. Once the Grill OK sign appears, set to low, and the rest is the same. The vegetables are tender inside and crispy outside. We believe steam roasting is one of the healthiest and most delicious ways to cook vegetables. Let's go through the summary of steam roasting. For whole vegetables, once rinsed, transfer to the pot without draining water. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to generate enough steam. For cut vegetables, make sure to cut all vegetables in similar sizes. Add oil for a crispier texture. Place vegetables cut side down to get a golden sear. For more steam roasting recipes, come visit our website. Please also check out our steam roasting guide for recommended cook times for various vegetables.